Hi, welcome to Goldylost Academy. My name is Clementine, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to put on one of Goldylost human hair grand toppers. So let's get started. I have one of our grand toppers here. This colour is Giselle. See that beautiful human hair there? The grand topper is a hybrid between a wig and a topper, so it's the largest base of all of Goldylost's toppers. You can see in here, here's a lace top and a lace front. So the benefit of this topper is the lace front. If you find that you have a thinning hairline and you struggle to blend with a traditional topper, then this might be a really great option for you. They're also really lightweight and breathable, and they give you about 2/3 as much hair as a wig will. First, you're going to go around and undo the clips. There's 6 clips in total and an adjuster in the back. So I've undone all of the clips on this, and then I'm easily going to pop it on top of my head. Take your own hair out and brush your own hair back and out of the way so that it will be seen underneath, but this bit is out of the way of the lace front. So place it on top of your head. It easily molds over the top, really lightweight, really comfortable, and it molds right over there so you can hardly even feel it's on. So then you're going to want to put it nice and flat, and then you're going to want to go and put all of the clips in. Should be a similar colour and length to your own hair. You can go a little bit longer. This one's a little bit light for me. You can see my hair is a little bit darker underneath. Now, first you're going to put these top 2 clips in here. These are the little bit of the tricky ones. You're going to go up, grab a little bit of hair and scoop it down and then push it shut. There's one on the other side. I'm going to go and do the same on that side. So grab a little bit of your own hair, scoop and push the clip closed. So once those 2 in the top are done, you're going to go around the edge and do the outer ones. So there's one here, scoop. Make sure you scoop a good amount of hair in there so it feels really secure. Shouldn't be pulling at all. It should feel really comfortable. One in the back here. Make sure it's molded all the way down and over. And the lucky last one right here. So now that it's on, you can see the natural amount of hair it gives. Lace top, you can change the part anywhere on this top area. Once you own it, you'll cut this lace back to the hairline, and you can see you don't need to blend any of your own hair. It gives you an artificial hairline, just like our lace top wigs do. Easy tuck behind the ears. You will see your own hair here if you're going to tie it back or tuck it behind the ears, so that's why it should be a similar colour. So really comfortable, really secure. This is a great option for people without a hairline. People maybe live in a hot climate, maybe you sweat a lot and you want something lightweight, breathable. Maybe you have a lot of hair underneath and you don't want to wear a full wig. Then this could be a really good option for you. So thank you for watching the video. I hope you found it helpful. If you are interested in these grand toppers, you can go to our website, goldylost.com, and check them out. If you think you need a little bit of help deciding what top is best for you, or maybe colour matching, we do free consultations here in our Sydney studio, or you can book a video consultation. Just go to the website, book a consult, and it'll show you all the available times. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel. We have a lot of other helpful videos on human hair wigs and human hair toppers. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to go below and like. Thanks for watching. Bye!